Good morning, friends. Now, in summer vacations, we will enjoy vacations with some projects. And these projects are really interesting because this is the method of studying by fun. So, in science, you have to make one project either from physics or chemistry or from bio. You can use different things like you can make a video clip or the film for your project. Like, for example, suppose you are going to make the physics project. In physics, you have to make the project by using the Newton's law of motion. There is three laws of motion. Newton's have three laws of motion. First one is the law of inertia. You know the different laws of inertia. That is the law of inertia of rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction. So you can make the video clips of these law of inertia. Like suppose you must seen this activity, or you can also do this activity. Actually, you should do this activity. This is a glass tumbler, or you can take any glass, steel glass, you can say, or you will place a cardboard on it. Place a coin on it. Now, if you flick this card by your finger, or if you pull this card by your fingers, you will saw that this coin will drop into this glass. So, if you are making a video clip of this one, then not only one video clip, you can make the lost or video clip for the inertia of, this is the inertia of rest, So, for the inertia of rest, you have lots of examples for the inertia of rest. So, you can explain it by making a video clip of 2 or 3 minutes or even more. So, you can make the video clip of this one and then you will explain what is happening actually here. What is happening here? Why this coin drop into this glass when you flick the card? And you have also different activities of Newton's first law. So you can use these type of activities for showing your project, for your project, physics project. So one is the method of video or the filmmaking. Same as this is the project for the physics. I am giving you only the example. You can make a different. You can take the different laws. You can use the Newton's first law, either Newton's second law or the Newton's third law for making your projects. So this is one of the example. Okay. Suppose you are making the video clip. You also can make the video clip for the chemistry. In part of chemistry, you know the evaporation. You know the different factors on which the rate of evaporation depend. So suppose you can show that these are the saucer. Saucer has a large surface area, and you will place some water in the saucer. Suppose 1 liter of water, you drop in it, and take a glass here, and also take same amount of water here. Now you place both the things outside your house. You can also make this video, and then you can show that after 3 hours or after 4 hours, or either more times can be spent. It depends on the intensity of the light. So you can show that the water in this saucer evaporate as much as compared to this glass. So you can show it by making your video clip that since that it has a large surface area, so the rate of evaporation increases in this case. In this case, it has a low surface area, it has a less surface area, so its rate of evaporation is less. You can also show your activities by taking some other examples, like you can take 2 glasses of water, same quantity of water in both the glasses, and then place 1 glass of water outside your house and 1 inside your house. After a few hours, you can show that the water in this glass evaporate much as compared to this one. Why? You can explain it by making a video clip that since this, due to the high temperature, because you place this glass outside your house, so it has it has a high temperature as compared to this glass which you placed in your house. So it means due to the high temperature, the rate of evaporation increases. So also you can make the video clip for this one. Again, in bio, you have to make a project. Okay. I'm also going to explain you what are the different subjects you have for making your projects. Like in physics, you will make your project by taking the Newton's law. So you can use Newton's law for showing your projects. You can also show the first chapter of physics, that is the motion. You can also show the uniform, non-uniform motion or the acceleration. In physics, in chemistry, you will make the project on evaporation. You also can show the evaporation, the factor affecting the evaporation. This is the heading for your project. In the case of bio, you have to make a project. You will make a compost. You know how can we make the compost? You can use the different organic matters which are present in our home, like when your mother peels vegetables or fruits, these peels actually she throw into dustbin. But you can use these peels, vegetable peels, you can use it, you can crush it, and after crushing you will mix it into the soil. And then you can take two type of soil. In one soil you are not mixing the different peels, vegetable peels, and in other one you are mixing your peels. It will take some weeks to become a compost. These peels will take some time for to become a compost, because microorganisms act on these peels, these vegetable peels, and make them compost. So it will take few weeks for making the compost. So what we are doing? You are taking two different pot, in which in one pot you are taking the simple soil, and the other one, what you are doing? You are mixing some vegetable peels or the fruit peels in them after crushing it. So by crushing, what will happen? Actually the microorganisms will get the large surface area for acting on the vegetable peels, so that it will become compost much earlier. So you will take two pots. In one pot a simple soil, and in other pot you add some vegetable peels, some organic matter. So now you can sow some seeds in both the containers, both the pots, and then you will make the video clips. It will take time, and you will also enjoy it. When you will sow some seeds in both the pots, you will see the pot which have the compost, in which you make the compost by using vegetable peels, will the container in which you make the compost, the healthy plant will be growing in it. Or you can show that the plant which will grow in this pot, which have the compost in it, is much good as compared to the plants which are grow in this pot, which is only the soil, which is only having the which has only the soil. Sorry. So you can do the different activities like this. You can also make the film for this, a short film for showing these activities. You have to make one project either from the physics or from chemistry or from bio. You can take one of the subject for making the project. Okay. You can also make slideshow. If you are interested in making slideshow or PPT, you can also make slideshow. Actually, the art integrated projects is for your fun. That is the learning by fun. You learn the things by fun, by different activities. Science is everywhere. So by making the slideshow, or you can also use the sketching. The sketching should be the simple sketching. There should be some art in the sketching. And you can also make art by using the waste material. Here in this part where you make the compost, you are also using the waste material for your activity. That's good. You can also make the paper cutting for your activities. So on the three parts, in first bio, you will do your activity by making compost. Okay. So one of the method you can use here. In physics, you have the laws of motion, that is the Newton's law of motion. There are three laws actually, and you can use one of the law to show your activity. And if suppose you are going to explain the Newton's first law, the law of inertia, then you can do not only the one activity, you can also do the different activities to show the law of inertia here. In chemistry, you have topic, that is the evaporation, the rate of evaporation, the factors affecting the rate of evaporation. So these are the different activities you can do in your science projects. Okay, bye.